Hi everyone, my name is Angel, and I've had my channel for about 3 years, I guess, since 2009. Haven't did much with it, but I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm going to start making vlogs. I hope somebody views it, I hope somebody likes it. If you have any suggestions, topics, or anything like that, comment down below of this video, and yeah, I'm gonna start making vlogs about stuff and just interesting topics usually people probably don't, talk about. But yeah, I just want to let everyone know. And it's 5:04 or 5 in the morning and up here in California. And I know I should be in bed right now, but it's like Saturday morning and I felt this adrenaline rush going down on me. I can't sleep and it's hard. So making a video to get things off my mind, and I'm just so excited about the next couple of weeks because I'm gonna be making videos. So please, somebody out there watch it. I guess. Thank you. Bye.